Throughout my years in being a creative, I really find making a portfolio a really hard task. For one, you have to compile all your works and putting it up into a website or a document that you can showcase to the people. Kaya naman, upon this first week of my free time, I have planned to create a website regarding my portfolio. So, tatalon tayo sa Framer, which is my very favorite website in building a website. Dito ko ginawa yung previous portfolio ko, which is a requirement for my school previously nung grade 12 ako. Pero now, as I approach being free, being a freelancer, I have to make a new one kasi there's specifics that I don't really like and hindi ko pa masyadong gamay yung Framer at that time. Bakit Framer? I've choose Framer kasi it's one of the best website builders that has the creative freedom that you can have and it's free. Another thing na nababadrip ako in creating this portfolio, I previously made one. I wasted 3 days sa Cargo, which is a site that is also builds websites. So this is the website that I built in Framer. Ano siya? It's very different, although hindi pa siya completed. Ganito siya kalupit. No? So as I plan to make a portfolio, I've noticed the aesthetics of being a simple folder and pop out would be very great. So, going back sa Wix, ito na yung ginawa ko, which is very simple lang. And mind you, I don't have any UI building experience. So, I've kinda learned a bad trip sa mga kagagawa ng Framer with the animations and stuff and the not so coding stuff about it. So, ito yung main components natin, folders that I've made in Canva and in-edit ko siya. It is 5, which is, let's go back here, yung about me, my graphics, and my contents which direct to YouTube, photos, and vid. So, another main thing is that I really wanted to keep it simple. May kulang dito. Titignan natin ito, yung contact section. Nakaka-bad trip siya kasi hindi siya mag-redirect sa email on, I don't know kung paano po ba to. Yung link is not working. Pero going back, if we're gonna try it live, so we're gonna enter the website. Ikaw, if you wanted to experience it, makikita mo. So, let us go into the first page, which is about me. Sino ba si Dave? So, eto rin, yung layout ng Framer is very bad tripping siya talaga. It's unlike anything that I have worked on, given I'm good at Canva, Illustrator. Hindi siya yung kagaya ng ganong mga workstations na very flexible when it comes to layouts and all. Kaya, nahirapan pa ako. I'm zero in this. So, first page is, who is Dave? So, as I can say, it's very simple. Text and all is needed in here. Kaya, no, zero talaga. And I confidently can say that this is okay. This is great. And let's move on to the photo section. So ito, I really wanted to have yung para siyang free lang siya. Tapos nagaganon-ganon lang. Pwede mo lang siya i-ganon-ganon. Pwede mo siya i-drag. Usog mo, tapos may next section na lalabas. Pero we still don't have the knowledge to do that. So, moving on sa design. Yeah, I'm proud here. Kasi marami tayong nalagay with posters, visual arts, and my branding works all in one design. So, all in all, this is a template. As in, I've reworked it from the ground up kasi hindi madali ang mag-start from scratch sa framework in my experience. So, kung kayo, a tip from you guys, kung gusto nyo talaga mag-framework or to try building a portfolio here, is that kumuha kayo ng template na malapit sa style na gusto nyo and then build it from the ground up from there. So, hindi na kayo may harapan in creating these three things for variation kasi there's your website view for the desktop, the tablet, and the phone, which are very, very different from one another. So, if tatanggalin natin itong dalawa, ito lang yung makita nila, which is a very, very fit content ng website version mo into your phone, which is pangit, di ba? So, and then, it's nice to learn about UIs and all in creating a website. So, this is not the very last time that I'll be creating or updating my portfolio. Siguro, this is also a project within me to delve in sea of UI design and web design. So, yun lang guys. I hope that you have a insightful time in watching me sa aking paggawa. This portfolio took 5 days to make. Given na doon, excluding yung time ko sa pag-gather ng words because I already have it gathered before because of Cargo and all. So, I do not recommend Cargo. I only recommend Framer. So, yun lang guys. I hope you have a good day wherever you are in everything. So, let's move on to the next week, which is